To be organised, you need to be ready and prepared to start your day at work. Not only do you need a positive mindset, a morning routine and all that other stuff, you need to have the tools and equipment to support you. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I take to work to stay organised. So this is the bag, or one of the bags that I take to work with me, and it is a Damier Ebene, and it's the large. It comes in 3 sizes, so it comes in a small, a medium and a large, and this bag is a large. And it holds quite a bit. As you can see, it's a very deep bag. And I place all my stuff in here, and I may put some additional things in here if I need files and paperwork. First thing that I'm taking out of my bag is my Filofax, and in my Filofax I have all my planners. So I have a weekly planner, I have my daily planner, and I have my meeting planner, a DBS that I need, and I have 3 of those to cover the 3 boroughs that I work in. I also have business cards, so again very important to have a Filofax or a diary, whatever works for you. Well, this Filofax is fantastic for me, and it really does help me to stay organised. Right. I do like notepads. I don't know if you're a bit like me. So this is a Ted Baker notepad that I take with me, and again, depending on who I'm working with, depends on which notebook I write in, so that I can keep all my notes together. So that's one of them, and it's Ted Baker. It's fantastic, it's really beautiful, and that was a gift from a pupil in one of my schools. I use this particular notebook on new school visits or during new client assessments. I keep specific notes under different tabs and then review the notes and transfer them to the relevant company forms. Some other items I keep in my handbag are these mini notebooks. You can take this one around with you. It's nice and light, it's not too big and bulky, and it's easy for you to take out and make notes. And I have another one just in case. Another item I have in my handbag is this pencil case. It is actually a makeup bag, but I use it as a pencil case to put my stationery in. I always make sure I have some highlighters, some pencils, and a variety of pens. Another item I have in my handbag is this makeup bag. In here I have a brush, I have contact lenses, lip gloss, and a lipstick, and this is a neutral colour. Don't know if you can see that. Beautiful scent from Next, very nice indeed. And a lip balm, which is an EOS, I'm not sure what that is. Fantastic lip balm. Another item I have in my handbag are sunglasses, because you'll never know when the sun comes out. Got a little bit of makeup. Oops. This bag comes along with a mini clutch bag that looks like this, and it attaches to a clasp on the bag. And you can keep in here things like receipts, you can keep your cards in here, you can keep whatever you like really. It's entirely up to you. If you didn't want to take your bag with you and you want to leave it in your office, you can just walk around with this bag. And what else have I got in here? So I've got post-it notes, because you can never have too many post-it notes. And again, my contact lenses, just in case. I have a spare pen, and this is from the Hilton when we last stayed there. And I have some lens wipes. And basically, that's it. That's all I keep in the bag. So again, I'm just going to put the things back in that I use. So we've got sunglasses, makeup bag, post-it notes, purse, asthma pump, contact lenses, your notebooks, and it's entirely up to you if you want to use notebooks or if you want to take a laptop around with you. I personally prefer using notebooks. I prefer to write things down. This is my Filofax where I keep everything in, and my lovely pencil case with all my stationery. And basically that's it. So when I'm ready to head off, I grab my bag that I prepared from the night before and start my day. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit our website for more tips, advice and resources. Thank you for watching.